times like this, I kind of wish I had a plasma cutter or a mill. I used a hole saw there, and then this back area I took out with a torch. I just need to knock the slag off of it. It's going to be my exhaust flange. I'm going to use a 90, a 90, a 90, and then put a piece of pipe on it with just a slash cut. I'll show you that once I get this cleaned up and cooled off. So here's where I'm at with the exhaust. This is just tacked together. I think this is what I'm going to do. I mean, it's going to be loud no matter what because I'm not putting a muffler on it, but I just wanted to get the exhaust aimed away from my feet, aimed away from the tire, the engine, everything. This kind of follows the skid plate here. So I'm pretty happy with this, where this is at. So I think this is the exhaust. I'm going to take it apart, or take it off at least, and weld it all together. And yeah, I mean, I got just enough clearance behind here so that it's not up against the skid plate. A couple of nice bends, and this is actually the piece that I was planning to weld this onto here, but my orientation changed. So that's the plan. That's how it looks. Let's weld it. So it's still not welded. Something I just thought of. When I'm all the way to the left and I compress the suspension, how close does it get? Because I mean, it's hanging out there a little ways, but not real far. But I mean, it's not getting too close, and I really doubt I'm gonna go fully bottomed out, fully turned to the left. And if I do, I've probably got other things to worry about, like which way's up, and is my life insurance up to date? So that should be fine. We'll find out. So I've got a whole bunch of cleaning up to do before I actually weld all this, but I think it looks pretty sweet.